Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reports, I was serving wine to the people in Abu Talha's house. Those days their wine was made of dates. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded the heralds to proclaim this announcement, Hearken, wine has been forbidden. Hazrat Abu Talha said to me, Go out and spill it. So I spilt it. Wine flowed in the streets of Medina Munawwara. Some of them would say some people, Muslims, had been killed and it was in their stomachs. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse. On those who believed and did righteous work, there is no sin for what they have eaten when they fear and keep faith and do righteous work. Again fear and keep faith. Then again fear and remain righteous. And Allah loves the righteous. Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 93. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2464.